Come test drive the 2011 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, auto express down window, alloy wheels, adjustable headrests, power steering, cruise control, AM/FM stereo with CD player. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.